With GAT Plus and GAT Unlock, an admin can add a user to have access to a specific folder within the domain. Please note that this method requires GAT Unlock. Begin by navigating to the drive area of the GAT Plus tool. Here we'll start by applying a custom filter to find the folder we would like to add the user to. In this example, we'll be looking for a folder owned by a specific user. I'll then apply the filter. Once you have found the folder, select the drop-down arrow next to its title. Then select Apply Permission Change to this folder recursive. You should now see the File Management pop-up window. In the Add tab, we can begin adding the users we want as contributors. You can also add them as viewers, commenters, or remove other permissions. Click Next to view the Summary tab. Make sure to double check that you have made the correct changes, and when ready, click Send Request. Your request will be sent to your domain's GAT Unlock security officer, who will need to approve it. Once approved, the task will be carried out. The new added user will then see the folder under Shared with Me in their drive. That covers this GAT Plus how-to. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this GAT Labs video, please like and subscribe and ring the bell for regular updates. You can also get a free 15-day trial of GAT Plus by following the link in the description.